We're good and ready to go. Well, I'm going to try to do the back of the guitar. Actually, let's do a candle holder. Okay? Or a pen container. We got our chairs here to hold it. And we got this chair to hold the camera. Okay. And we're going to do this, and I'm going to stop talking. It's all going to be blue until I switch. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pretend I am the printer. Okay. So once it's green, you can go ahead and put your filament in. It's hot, so don't press the... So once it's going in, you don't want to wait for it to extrude. Extruding just means coming out the end of your hot end. Make sure you don't touch that tip. It's really hot, about 160 degrees. Dr. G Code here is going to do some hand 3D printing with this cheap $20 3D printing pen from Amazon.com. Actually, no. This one's from GearBest. So, ooh, look at that. I got some blue. Well, now that blue is coming out, we're going to press the button. Okay, so a double. That's retraction, and this is extruding. It's either back or forth, I guess. Wow. Okay, we're gonna start. So you get your base, which is the square, and you extrude it out. It's doing all right. You always do a perimeter when you're 3D printing. And if you have a 3D printer, that's actually a setting, is how many perimeters you want. So right now I'm just going to go around the perimeter of this base. And yet my pen is right on the plastic that came with the kit. It's like the base. Now you're going to want to do some, they call this infill. It's actually pretty fun. No wrong way. This is actually pretty fun. If you have patience for crafts, this is a cool craft. Remember, this is my first time using a 3D pen. We should play some music or something. Cool. I think I found a new craft. Even though it's just a square base, this is pretty neat. It's called FDM. It's pretty neat, eh? You think I gotta... No, I gotta finish this. Why not, eh? We'll grab some white filament in a second because I kind of want to keep blue because I got an idea that I want to use blue for. This is the only blue stuff I got. It's the stuff that came with the kit. I wonder how long this cheap gun lasts for. $20. You pay for what you get for it in 3D printing. But we'll find out. Right now I have nothing bad to say about it. For $20, it got me into the hobby. To upgrade anyway. Right now I'm doing a thing called bridging. Well, I was. Now I'm not. Now I'm just playing with plastic mats. Cool, it's like you're injecting it. It knows that I didn't want to use too much. I'll just finish this off so it doesn't look weird. So if you double click it, goes backwards. That's how you get it out. So I've done the first square. The rest I'm going to do time lapse. If anything, this is good for when you got a support that falls off, you just draw up a support. Like, look at that. 3D printed with a pen. That's just the beginning. That turned out nice. See the shine? It's pretty tough. Yeah, it's all together. Oh, that's the base for my pen container that I'm making. The rest of it's going to be done in white because I want to light it up.